Welcome. If you want to change your notification settings on DOOGEE S50, for the first open settings. Now we have to click on the notifications. And as you can see, now we can change the notification for every application. So for example, if you have a lot of notifications from your Gmail, you can click on the switcher to block all of these notifications. But also you can click here and manage the notification on your lock screen. So if you want to hide all of the notifications, you can click here, or if you want to hide the sensitive content, you click here, or you can also just leave with the show all notification content. And this is how you set up the notifications on your DOOGEE S50. Thank you for watching. Give thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.